Hello everyone, my name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 147 and the name of the lesson is Finding Answers with AI. The objective of this lesson is that students will utilize ChatGPT effectively to find answers to questions related to career options based on their personal details. For the first step, you will ask students to share what they remember about using ChatGPT and you will ask why it is necessary to provide your information in detail when you interact with ChatGPT. For the second step, you will inform the student that in today's class, we will explore more ways to use ChatGPT to find answers to our questions. You will instruct that the students are going to write you will write a question on the board. All students must work in pairs. They will type the questions in ChatGPT by filling in their own details. Once they answer the question, they will choose one career they would like to pursue and research more on that career. And then you will write the question on the board. The question is, I am 20 years old. I study physics, chemistry and math in my class 12 in India. What different career options do I have? Tell me in very easy language. For the third step, you will ask the students to work in pairs. You will move around to help the students with the task. You will ensure that both the students in a pair take a chance to search about their career. You will instruct them to take down notes so that they can present their findings to the class. Now for the fourth step, you will ask the students to talk about their findings with two other students. If time allows, ask a few volunteers to share their findings with the class. Now for the energizer, you are going to call up the student chosen from the previous day to lead the energizer. If needed, you will help them to clarify instructions and manage class behavior. The second part of the lesson is discussion and debates part 2, and the objective of this lesson is that students will apply the debate strategies discussed in the video in the previous class to present a debate. For the first step, you will ask a question from the students. The question is, what debate tips did we discuss in class that might help you present your argument? If needed, you can add speaking slowly and clearly, use body language, listen while the other person is speaking, respond respectfully and stay calm. For the second step, you will explain the debate format. Each side will have 2 minutes to present their arguments. Then each side will have 1 minute to respond to the other side and make their final points. Remind the students that all members of the group should participate and you will give groups 10 minutes to go over their notes and decide who will say which parts and practice. It does not need to be memorized the speech since they will be listening and responding to the other team. For the third step, you are going to call on one group at a time to present their debate, and you will moderate by calling on each side to present their arguments and then giving them a chance to respond and make their final points. You will make sure that they stay respectful as they disagree with one another. And following each group's debate, you will ask the class, what did they do well during the debate? What were some of the reasons and examples that you heard? And after hearing the debate, what is your opinion on the topic? For the fourth step, you will ask students to summarize what they did in class today and you will encourage each one to share a sentence each. Lastly, you will acknowledge the students for what they did well during the session and you will conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.